Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about the U.S. Constitution test. As we all know, this is a required test by the state of Missouri to pass in order to earn your high school diploma or a GED. So we will be taking this for the end of semester test in U.S. government, and there are 6 parts to the U.S. Constitution test. There are going to be 30 multiple choice questions and 3 matching questions. And I've given you the 6 parts of the Constitution test. Part 1 will be general questions. Questions like, how many articles are there in the Constitution? Okay, that's what I mean by general questions. They're overall questions. Part 2 is covering Article 1, the legislative branch. Part 3 is going to be the executive branch. Part 4, the judicial branch. And then Part 5 is Articles 4 through 7. And finally, the last part will be a matching section. And basically, there'll be a statement about the function of a branch of government, and you have to put if it's legislative, executive, or judicial. So there'll be 3 matching questions. The test is Tuesday, October 13th. Of course, you'll be taking it online since we are virtual. The first time you take the test, the plan is to pass the test since this is a state requirement to graduate. If you do need to retake it because for some reason you did not pass, you'll be able to. However, the grade you receive on the test counts as the final exam grade. So the first time you take it, that grade counts for your final exam grade. However, if you do fail the test, you will be able to retake it for the graduation requirement. However, that retake grade does not replace the original test score in the grade book. So keep that in mind. I very rarely have students that have to retake the test. It does happen, but we do such a great job with the study materials and breaking down, let's study this part first and then that part, that students do really well. So even though this says Tuesday review, we'll have 3 different reviews: a Tuesday review, a Wednesday review, and a Thursday review. On Friday, we'll play Kahoot. So your reviews will look something like this. Our first review, we're going to have the general question review, and that's going to be 6 questions. And then we're going to review the matching part of the test. Now, these aren't the exact questions, of course, that are on the test, but these are the topics for each question. All right, so nothing on here, or I'm sorry, everything that's on the review is on the test. All right, so these are the questions, and we'll do these in class, and these are the answer spots. If you have any questions, please let me know.